Welcome. For the next 10 minutes, we are going to raise our energy through moving our bodies and calm our minds through slowing down our breath. We're going to do some playful movement today to hopefully bring some joy and lightness into your day. So let's begin, opening up with Ragdoll. If you're here for the 10-day challenge, welcome back. And if you're new here, you're welcome to continue with this video, or there's a playlist in the description and you can join for each day. So coming to the breath, breathing in and out through the nose, if that's available to you today, and relaxing your face, softening the forehead and the eyes, the cheeks and the jaw, raising these arm swings up to shoulder height, warming up the spine and the back. And reaching for something on a high shelf, beginning to wake up the side body. So today's idea that we're going to embody in our movement is saying yes to our experiences. A lot of the pain in our lives comes from resisting what is here. And through our mindful movement practices, we can develop the ability to say yes to what is here. So for example, wherever you are with your stiffness or fitness today, coming to shoulder rolls, can you say yes, here I am. No matter my fitness or stiffness, I celebrate the fact that I'm showing up for my practice, and I celebrate myself. Like, we compare ourselves so easily when actually we all have a uniqueness that can be celebrated. Bringing your whole body into these shoulder rolls and bending my knees and changing direction. Nice. So we're going to get into some joyful Tai Chi moves today, and I look forward to sharing them with you. So let's begin with tree hugging. We have a soft bend in our knees, the spine is long, and we're imagining there's a great big beautiful tree in our midst, and sticking a smile on your face. It can be fake, it can be real, it doesn't matter, because it automatically sends soothing signals through the nervous system. So putting on a smile, yes, it's silly to be hugging a tree, imagining to do that first thing in the morning, but you know what, it's fun to be silly. We can be sincere without being serious. There is a power in not taking ourselves too seriously. So smile in the face, and let's take a couple of breaths here, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And our first move, opening up, we step back and open up. Bringing some flexibility into the body, breathing in and opening up. Breathing in and opening up. So what do you need to open up to today? What are you resisting? What are you saying no to? Can you say yes? Not yes, I want this, but yes, here it is. And I accept what is here. The stress, the challenge. It is pointless and painful to resist what is here. We for some reason think that this resistance of, oh, I shouldn't be like this, or the world shouldn't be like this, is somehow going to change the world. When in fact, if we can notice, okay, I want things to change, but can I accept the now? And find some ease and some energy and some resourcing so I can actually go and do the change instead of just blocking my energy through saying no. So let's say yes together. Taking a breath, breathing in, and say it with me. Yes, here you are. Let's try that again. Breathing in. Yes, here you are. Breathing in. Yes, you belong. How about that? And you can freestyle it, breathing in. What do you want to say yes to today? Got one more move before we move on. Breathing in. All right, our next move, we've got a Tai Chi energy ball. So you've just got a ball in front of you, freestyling with it. It's a ball of energy. And what we're going to do is we're going to release this energy ball into fire. Some last airbender stuff here. So fire, we breathe out, the fire raises up and it transforms into water. Nice. Fire raises up, breathing out, and water. So with the fire, can you find your strength? Making yourself big and strong, and with water, what do you need to cleanse out? Fire, these are moving metaphors. Breathing out. Fire, you're strong, you're powerful, make yourself big. Water, you also have the freedom to move through and to clear what isn't serving you. Fire. Water. Fire. And water. So this is a moving meditation now. See if you can just be present with the move. Breathing out. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Last one, breathing out. And breathing in. Coming into our breath work now. Standing meditation. Imagining there's a piece of string attached to the ceiling, to the top of your head. Feel a lengthening of your spine, and yet you're relaxed. Soft bend in the knees, shoulders relaxed. And the hands can be just by your belly button. Maybe closing your eyes or just gazing downwards. Can you find the movement of your breath? Softening your face. If there's any tension in your forehead or your eyes, allow them to soften and to release. The cheeks and the jaw, allowing them to unwind and to sink. The throat, softening. The belly, relaxing. Slowing your breath down. Watching the movement of the air come in and out. As you're focusing on your breath, if you notice that you're lost in thoughts, maybe judging the fact that you're lost in thought, maybe planning the day, the invitation is to say, yes, this is here. In our meditation practice, we can put pressure on ourselves to be quiet, to have a quiet mind. But paradoxically, that creates more tension because the brain thinks that's what it does. Meditation isn't about shutting the mind down, but instead opening up into more spaciousness, where you find that the thoughts and feelings that used to define you are held in a bigger space. And so you find more freedom. So any experience while you're watching your breath, simply say yes, and then bring your awareness back to your breath. In our final minute, can you soften even more? We've moved with some joy and some ease and some flow. Can you bring that kindness into how you're watching your breath right here, right now? And beginning to bring some movement into the body, maybe keeping your eyes closed still, distributing the weight between each foot. Freestyle movement, maybe bringing some spinal waves, moving your spine in whatever way it would like to. And so bringing this idea of saying yes to today, that's your challenge for today, is where are you resisting? Where are you saying no to your experiences? Remember, acceptance isn't accepting the totality of a situation, a conflict, a betrayal. The acceptance is of the little bit of the now, of yes, the grief is here, yes, the pain is here, yes, the joy is here. Here I am. And paradoxically, when we totally accept the present moment, even if there is pain in this present moment, it transforms into an ease. And so that is the healing power of meditation and this practice that we are sharing together. So say yes. How can you use that today? I'd love to know in the comments down below. Let's close our practice with a Tai Chi salute, a fist with the left hand, palm over with the right, and a bow and acknowledging all the beautiful people that we are sharing our practices with. If you'd like to join for the full 10-day challenge, there is a link in the description for the full playlist. I would love to see you tomorrow. If you enjoyed, always grateful for a share as well. Flow well, my friend, breathe well. See you tomorrow.